Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Tecno has launched a new flagship device in 2025, which is the Tecno Camon 40 Pro. Another interesting part is the design. Compared with Camon 30 Pro from last year, the design are not the same. So please stick around, let's see what it offers. Before we get started, I will be happy if you use this opportunity to like this video and also subscribe to my channel so that you'll be updated whenever I drop a new video just like this one you're watching. First of all, let's start with the price. It goes around 358,500 naira, which is a little above $200. With that, we get the 8 GB RAM and 256 GB internal storage. That is amazing. Moving to the unboxing experience, it comes with a packaging box. So let's go ahead and open the box and see what it offers. To be honest with you, this is the first Tecno phone that comes with Android 15 in 2025. Opening the box, the first thing we see is the phone. This is the Camon 40 Pro. We come back to it. Alright guys, check this out. This is for MTN users. Not even that. Digging into the box, the first thing we see is the protective case. Before that, we get the 12 months plus 1 month warranty card, followed by a protective case. That is amazing. This time around, most phone doesn't come with a protective case inside the box. Good to have it here on the Tecno Camon 40 Pro. We have the USB Type-C cord right here, which can help to charge up this device from 0 to 100%. Another interesting part is the charger. It comes with 45 watt fast charger. I mean 45 watt fast charger. That is amazing. With that, it can give you the best charging time. So this is what we have in the box. With all the accessories and the phone, you can get it a little above $200. To be honest with you, for what it offers, it's good to go. Back to the phone, I love the packaging overall. For the color, this is the Emerald League Green Edition. Let's take a look around the phone. At the back, we have the camera models and the LED flashlights, all located at the back. Let's talk about other things. For the security, it comes with optical fingerprint scanner down the display. It responds so fast to touch whenever I want to unlock the phone. Interesting, there is a dedicated button for accessing the camera quickly, and Tecno calls it the flash snap. It gives you access to the camera if you double tap it, and you can press and hold it for someone else AI assistant. Can also remap these buttons in the settings of the phone to do other tasks. You can see the button with an orange accent. A SIM card thread is located at the bottom and it supports 2 SIM cards. We also have dual stereo speakers on this smartphone that sound amazing. There is an IR blaster on the phone and it can use to control electronics. We also have an IP69 and IP68 dust and water resistance, which is very impressive considering its price. The phone can survive up to 2 meters underwater without any damage. Another aspect where the Tecno Camon 40 Pro shines is that this year they increased the battery life from 5000 mAh battery to 5200 mAh battery. Speaking about the processor, the Tecno Camon 40 Pro comes with MediaTek Helio G100 Ultimate. Compared to last year, from Camon 30 Pro comes with Dimensity 8200 Ultimate. To be honest with you guys, the Dimensity 8200 Ultimate that comes with the previous Camon 30 Pro is more faster than the MediaTek Helio G100 that comes with the Camon 40 Pro. So if you are going for a processor, I will advise you for you to go for the Tecno Camon 30 Pro from last year. But if you are going for the battery, I will prefer for you to go for the Tecno Camon 40 Pro, which is this one I'm holding. As for the size of the display, it is a 6.78 inches 1080p AMOLED display. Support 120Hz refresh rate. That is incredible. For the GPU, it comes with Mali G57 CPU. Android 15 is what we're gonna see on this smartphone, like I said earlier. It comes with a flat screen, flatter than last year. At the bottom is where the USB Type-C port located, and the SIM has accommodator. If you are not used to flat display, trust me, you're gonna like it. Well, that is by the way. Let's discuss about the camera. The Tecno Camon 40 Pro comes with 50 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera. It's dual LED flashlight. It can record video up to 4K, 30 frames per second or 60 FPS. You can also record video in 1080p if you wish to do so. For the front, it comes with 50 megapixel selfie camera, which allows you to take good-looking pictures. These are some of the pictures taken with the rear camera of Camon 40 Pro. So take a look at it. How sharp does it look like? The color that the camera produces, does it handle dynamic range properly? Let's know down in the comment section below. For the night photos, these are some of the pictures taken on a low light condition. For the video experience, I'm recording in 4K 30 frames per second, so tell me how the video stabilization look like down in the comment section below. That is by the way. Now coming to my conclusion, if you are going for the Tecno Camon 40 Pro, what you have to bear in mind is that you're gonna see the best battery life, a curved AMOLED display, IP69 dust and water resistance, and lastly the plastic case. I love the design. So please, if you find this video helpfully and the effort I put up when making this video, please don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to my channel so that you will be updated whenever I drop a new video just like this one you're watching. Catch you guys on next one. Peace out.